All right, so this problem is meant for students who are preparing for advanced level physics. Okay, the topic is motion in straight line. The case is of a non-uniform acceleration. What is a non-uniform acceleration? That varies. It is not uniform, it is not constant. So this is the expression of a body which is showing some acceleration, which is time dependent. Okay, this is a time dependent acceleration. What is F naught and capital T? These are some constants. It is also known that during the motion, okay, at one point, the initial state is initial velocity is zero. Okay, so we have to use some known point on the complete motion, right? So we know a few things about the motion, that the initial velocity is zero. What we also know about the motion is that from t is equal to zero to some time t, we don't know what is the time t, the velocity of the body is found to be, sorry, the acceleration of the body is found to be zero. So between the time intervals, there is a time interval in which is t1 is equal to 0, and some time interval where the velocity, sorry, the acceleration of the body is also 0. It is given that at t is equal to 0, between t1 is equal to 0 to some other time instant t2, the acceleration is 0. And the velocity which is observed between these two time intervals is this. Okay, I hope I have articulated it correctly. I will just repeat myself. So this is a time instant and this is another time instant. Okay, between these two time instants, okay, the velocity is found to be this. Okay, and at that time instant, which is the other time instant, the acceleration is found to be 0. So we also know quite a lot. What we need to find out is the value of n by m. What is that n by m? What is the value of n by m? This is what we need to find out. So velocity will come as some expression, and whatever is a value here in terms of f naught t, now some number may appear here. So this is some n by m. We don't know what it is. So let's start solving this. So we know that at t1 is equal to 0, uh, between t1 is equal to 0 and some time interval, the acceleration is uh, coming out to be 0. Let me just read the question first and come back on this. Okay, let me just see. So what it says is, okay, the in the time interval between t is equal to 0 and the instant when f is equal to 0. So this is the instant, okay, some instant t2 where f is equal to 0. So between this time interval, okay, t1 and t2, at t2 what it says is that the acceleration is 0. So f is equal to 0 here. What is observed is that the velocity is found to be this much. Okay, please find the value. So let's talk about this time instant when the acceleration is found to be 0. The velocity between this two is v is equal to this. We have to find the value of n by m. I hope I have articulated it well enough and you have understood. So let me take this time instant when acceleration is 0. So I will put 0 is equal to, let's find t corresponding to f is equal to 0. F naught 2 minus t by t, and this will become t, so this will go down, t is equal to, t by t is equal to 2 and t is equal to 2t. Okay, t is equal to 2t. This is the time when the body has 0 acceleration. So the time instants we're talking about from 0 to 2t, what we notice is this velocity. Okay, we have to find what is this velocity from 0 to 2t. So if we notice this, how do you get? So how do you get velocity expression? So if I write this as dv by dt is equal to f naught 2 minus t by t, and I write dv is is equal to f naught 2 minus t by t, and this is dt. If I integrate both the sides, what I get is v is equal to f naught t 2 minus t square by 2t, t square by 2, t and an f naught plus a constant, right? And I know I have not used this as yet. So velocity is equal to 0. The initial velocity is 0, which means that t is equal to 0, the u is equal to 0. So I'll put it here. Velocity is 0 at t is equal to 0. This becomes 0, this becomes 0, so c, right? So your constant of integration is also 0. So you're left with only v is equal to 2f naught t minus t square by 2t f naught, okay? In fact, I should have integrated this, right? If I integrate this from 0 to this value, okay, which we got, 2t, right? We will probably, so I will substitute the value integral of 0 to 2t. We've already seen at t is equal to 0, the initial condition c comes out to be 0. Let's see what is the next term. So 2f into 2t minus 4t square upon 2t f naught, right? So this becomes 4 f naught t minus 2t f naught, and this becomes 2t f naught. Now let's compare this with this, right? What do you get? You get n by m is equal to 2. So here is a question that takes substantial amount of time and understanding. So many variables. Acceleration is time dependent. You have to use this. So I think the emphasis of the question was that you should have good mathematical capability to be able to solve such questions. It wasn't difficult, but I think it was pretty longish, right? So you had to integrate. You also need to, think through that at this instant, the instant t2, the acceleration is 0. Okay, once you start from here, I think it automatically comes down. So the answer is 2. The value of n by m is 2. If you have not understood any step, please write your comments. Okay, and I will give you a link also in the description box where you can see the value of the the playlist, which is motion in straight line. So I hope this helps you. Thank you very much.